Einstein said nothing can go faster than light. Star Trek said, grand, we'll just leave space-time entirely then. Let's talk about subspace. These are 10 challenges to building a warp drive, and this is number 2, Star Trek and subspace. Now, in Star Trek, warp drive doesn't actually move you through normal space faster than light. It accesses an alternate dimension called subspace, where the rules are different. Now, the ship creates a warp field that shifts it partially into subspace, and in this state, the speed of light limit doesn't apply the same way. So you can travel at warp factor speeds, which are multiples of light speed. Now, warp 1 would be light speed, and warp 9 would be about like 1,500 times light speed. The Enterprise crosses the galaxy in months instead of millennia. Now, it's genuinely clever science fiction. Come on, we all love it. By inventing subspace, Star Trek's writers sidestepped Einstein's equations entirely. You're not breaking the rules of relativity because you're accessing a different layer of reality where those rules work differently. The problem here is that subspace doesn't exist. There's no evidence for alternate spatial dimensions that we could access for the purpose of travel. Now, string theory, sure, it does suggest that there are extra dimensions and they might exist out there, but they would be curled up at the Planck scale. That's like 10 to the minus 35 meters. Like, it's so small I can't even express it to you properly. Not traversable alternate realities that you could shift a spaceship into. So subspace is pure fiction, just a narrative device in order to make interstellar stories possible. But in 1994, a physicist watching Star Trek had an idea. But that's for the next episode. Stay nerdy.